Hey YouTube, what's up? We're gonna play Palma Violets, Best of Friends. I saw someone commented this was the Friend Zone anthem, but I'm not so sure about that. The verse and the intro to the song starts C, A minor to G, which you could just play with the power chords, just playing strings 6, 5, 4, or even 6, 5. That's basically the whole verse. You can play the whole thing with power chords, but definitely the guitarist is using bar chords. I watched a couple of videos of this live. So you could play it with open chords, but you're gonna have to like lay your hand right on the strings, and it's hard to get that same sound because of the open nature of the. Maybe just try to play the low strings. But it's just as easy to play it with power chords. It's almost like there's two parts. There's like 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I see Alana in the distance, shouting out, oi, oi. She's running through persistence. Find it so absurd. And then it goes into the chorus. The chorus is starts on F actually. I wanna be your best friend. Don't want you to be my girl. I wanna be your best friend. I don't want you to be my girl. Alright, that's basically the whole song. There is a little lead line. I think that's it. Going to the 8, 7, to the C and the 3, and all played on the A string. The most important thing is just play it all with these kind of downstrokes, and get the proper muting. Okay, so I'm not letting the strings ring. I'm kind of pressing down with my fingers and releasing. Some people call that choking the strings. Just keep strumming, and those kind of scratch beats will just help you keep the time. And then the chorus is much more regular. Two and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's just like 8/8 beats. Okay, but then the verse has that irregular. And 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2. It's almost like a 6/4. Okay, that's Palma Violets' cool song, Best of Friends. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.